Hey there, I've had bangs for a long time. In the beginning, it was a disaster, especially when I just cut it. But now I've learned how to manage bangs quickly and easily. And in this video, I will show you 4 different styling techniques. Just let's get started. Step 1, Heat Protection. My favorite is from Gliss by Schwarzkopf. I love the smell and the lightweight texture, the large bottle, and the affordable price. Step 2, Brush the hair. Use a special brush. I love this one because it's easy to clean after using and it keeps your hair fresh and clean too. Step 3, separate the bangs. Find the section where your hair is shorter, and that's your fringe. Next, to make your style last longer, use a mousse. I love this one because it works for all hair types. If your hair is super silky and smooth, like a child's, apply a little more. I usually apply it to dry hair, but you can apply it to the wet hair too. Focus on the roots and add a bit to the length to give the hair some, grip. Make sure the whole fringe section is damp. Use any brush dryer. It doesn't have to be expensive. I've had my Dyson for years and I still love it, but the brand doesn't matter here. It's all about technique, okay? These days you can find great options everywhere. Push the brush up and please don't do down motions. And stop just before the hairline. That way you will get natural root lift. Slide the brush down and curl the end inward. Again, stop at the hairline, not the middle of your forehead. If you are using a regular blow dryer and round brush, add a roller to help the hair cool in place and keep the shape. This helps set the root direction and the curl. And while the hair sets, I like to do a quick makeup touch-up. I use a liquid matte lipstick. It's super long lasting. I can eat and drink and it doesn't move. This shade is perfect for light skin tones with the green, blue or brown eyes, doesn't matter. And works especially well on olive or cool undertones. I even use it as a blush. It blends beautifully. The process is simple and fast. And I didn't cut or edit this part, so you are seeing it in a real time. By the way, what do you think about that color? I love that color so much. I add a soft and gentle highlighter to the inner corners of the eyes to make them look more open. A little on the tip of the nose, between the eyes, like eyeshadows, and a touch on the cheekbones for that healthy glow. It's a soft blend of golden and silver particles, great balance for all skin tones. Let's go back to the hair. Just slide down and do that circle motion. Let's watch this part again in a slow motion. Gather the hair with one hand and use the other to create that circle. So separate it in the middle and curl the ends away from your face. Then brush out the roots, either with your fingers or a brush. If you like the result, just brush through and fix it with a hairspray. That's it. Let's move on to another technique. I'm using this attachment to warm the hair away from the face. Hold the hair on a 45-degree angle to get a soft curl. Watch my movement. Push it forward and then bring it back. And do it again. Just repeat if it's necessary. Check how I'm using my arms. If you are not seeing that same intensity or wave near your eyebrows, try smaller section and increase the heat and power on your hairdryer. Switching the attachment. Yes, I know it's too old, but I love it so much. I actually bought it for my birthday many years ago. I was dreaming about it. After curling at 45 degrees, just slide down to the opposite side. Look at my motions now. Just slide down gently and then come back. Today, I'm loving this method. If it's a chill day with no big meetings, so I go for the first style. This one more like polished for a special occasion. I feel like that. Don't forget about the temple area, just close that gap. And if you use styling product in the right amount, you can just brush the fringe again and again. In the end, grab all the hair from one side and lift it slightly to reinforce the shape. Push your hand into the roots, brush the bangs back and up again, and fix it with a hairspray. It's not necessary, but let's do it now. It's like optional touch. Curl just the face framing ends or maybe from the back of your head as well. Hold the hair dryer parallel to the floor. Gather the ends with your hand and curl them inward slightly. Let's compare the sides. So the left side is more styled, like great for special occasion, and it creates a long face shape due to the smaller roots angle. And the right side is calmer, more casual, with a smoother volume, not too curly. Which side would you choose, by the way? Because I'm choosing the more curly side today. I don't know why, but I feel it like that. Quick recap. Push the hair to the opposite side, curl at 45 degrees, and curl the ends inward. Shape the hair with your fingertips and hold the bangs in place with the other hand. I love this cute and simple hairstyle, especially after a bit of wind. It actually looks more natural and effortless, not like you spend hours styling it like it looks now. And my favorite final look, fourth hairstyle with the bobby pins. So separate the fringe from the rest. Turn your head to see that section clearly in the mirror. I like a horizontal parting here. Just make sure that the direction is parallel to the floor. And make a clean cross section and pin it. Then hide the bobby pin with the hair from the back. I'm using a black pin to show you clearly. And if you do it right, even the black one becomes invisible, even on light hair as me. So finish with the hairspray, create a light spider web mist, and spray it into place and hold it until it sets. So that's our final result. Thank you for watching and let me know in the comments which part of that video helped you the most. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'm always here and happy to help you. See you in the next video. Bye.